Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Tawba. ألم يعلموا أنه من يحادد الله ورسوله فأن له نار جهنم خالدا فيها ذلك الخزي العظيم. Translation: Do they not know that whoso oppose Allah and His Messenger will live forever in the Jahannam hellfire? That is the greatest disgrace. As we have studied about the hypocrites, that they do the hypocrisy, they do the munafiqat just to get this world, just to get the benefits in this world. And they do it by lying, by breaking their oaths, and by breaking their trusts and doing the khiyanas. And they do the nifaq because they want to be included in Muslims, yet their hearts are not with Muslims and they are enemies of Muslim. But they fear that if they show their kufr, their disbelief to everyone, they will have disgrace and they will lose their position in this world, because Muslims were becoming powerful at that time. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that they are opposing Allah and His Messenger, and they are going to lose, because this is the law of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that comes in Quran, that Allah and His Messenger must win, and they are opposing Allah and His Messenger, thinking that this will save them from the disgrace of this world. However, they are going to get in the hellfire to live there forever, and this is the biggest disgrace that anyone could get. So by doing all these tricks and lies and breaking oaths and doing khayanas, they are trying to save themselves from some disgrace of this world. However, they have earned the biggest disgrace that is possible, and that disgrace is to get in the fire of hell. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us full understanding of Quran, connect us with the truthful people, and save us from any hint of hypocrisy. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.